Appalachia on your Wednesday. We're dry right now here in Charleston, but we are going to be tracking some chances for showers and storms. I think by about 11 o'clock here in Charleston, got a couple raindrops here on our day planner. And yes, maybe a thunderstorm or two. The highest risks there will be into the eastern zones. One or two of these storms, though, could be strong, but by 3 o'clock, it's nice and comfortable here, even into the evening. The thing is, though, it will be windy, and we'll track another round of rain showers later tonight. So unfortunately, rain jackets, rain gear, they're going to be necessary. Let's look at our storm impacts here. Storm Prediction Center has highlighted our eastern zones into the mountains in that #1 marginal risk for severe storms. That means an isolated chance. So one or two of these storms that come on through here could bring some large hail, maybe even some gusty winds and some localized downpours. The flooding risk, not too bad. But I am concerned, though, there could be a quick spin-up tornado. Now, that's a low-end risk. Not everyone will see that, but especially as these storms impact the higher elevations, there's not as much room down to the ground. It'll be very easy for something to come down quickly with a tall thunderstorm. But right now, we're pretty clear here in Charleston. It's sticky and damp outside. You start to see some shower activity down here into the coal fields, Logan and Mingo counties. That has lightened up. Another area of showers out by West Liberty approaching Morgan County. Some of those will try to hold themselves together as they push closer down Interstate 64. So just a little bit of moisture. That's what we'll track our way over the next couple of hours. Here's the situation. Two storm systems. Yesterday's system has made its way into Virginia. Some moisture there off of the East Coast. But you look up into the middle of the country, another low pressure center is developing. This one in parts of Minnesota and the Dakotas. That will push its way up into Canada and combine with the system from yesterday higher up in the sky. When that happens, you get more moisture, and unfortunately, you get more opportunities for rain, plus a big change in the forecast. Some cooler air will be making a return to our region as well. So through 11 o'clock, a couple pop-up showers start to make their way in. Nothing too bad just yet, but then by the afternoon into lunch hour, you start to see some of these stronger storms up in the southeast Ohio, places like Oak Hill, even up into Vinton County as well as we warm up into the 70s. This activity strengthens as it pushes eastward. So by about 2 o'clock into the eastern mountains, you start to see some of these heavier, stouter downpours develop. These are the ones that could produce some hail, perhaps even a weak tornado as they push up Interstate 79. So if you got any travel plans, maybe up towards Morgantown at 3 o'clock, yeah, it could get a little bumpy there between Sutton and also up into places like Glenville, Clarksburg. That's the area we could have some severe storms later today. But by 3 o'clock here in Charleston, it's nice and comfortable. Into the 70s and real breezy with that 25, even 30-mile-an-hour wind. A couple more spotty showers that we'll track by the evening. But the thing is, the forecast is not all that heavy in terms of rain amounts. Yes, any thunderstorm could bring a half-inch of rain, but anywhere from a tenth to a quarter is what we expect with just the scattered shower activity around here. Let's take it into Thursday. Couple opportunities for showers in the morning, but the better rain chances during the evening. That ride home could be a little bit damp, and notice we're only into the 50s outside by sunset. So rain chances, they start to drop a little bit on Friday. Into Saturday, though, that's our dry day before they edge their way back up heading into the Memorial Day weekend and also for Memorial Day on Monday. So in the extended, no real summertime heat here to talk about. We're going to be into the 60s and maybe 70s by Monday and Tuesday, and still a couple of rain chances that we'll have to deal with come the middle of next week.